the volcano.
We're going to the volcano.
These are expensive, huh? We're gonna go to the volcano. UFC's in town filming some stuff, and I guess they're gonna look for a couple shots. You know, see what they like out there. So that's where we're headed, to the volcano.
And you're all alone. We've been taught so long by the way of the strong. Mind been dying, digging you a ride.
Here we are, Chain of Craters Road in Volcano. All the way down to the ocean level, sea level. Eating a chili omelet. 1%, 99% fat-free chili omelet. Low fat, low sodium, white and brown rice mixed together. There it is. How many people you know eating a chili omelet at the volcano?
At the volcano. It took us about 3 hours. Should have taken us about 2. I'm standing where lava used to be. The water's right there. We'll probably burn here.
Oh, it's alright. When I'm on the microphone, sing lyrics. Sound from the underground reggae music. The people chant up and down.
We're gonna shoot a shot up here, and then we're gonna stand up on this thing so the guy can get a good shot of kind of how it's like a pillar with an empty inside. It looks kind of like a little cave, like a little tunnel. Check it out. We just wrapped up the shoot down here at by the ocean at the volcano. Now we're gonna go find some like fresh black lava to probably go do a couple things at. So we'll see what's going on.